Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video that barely got views even though the content was good? See, the truth is that viewers don't leave your video because the content is bad. They leave because the editing doesn't keep them engaged. Okay, so in this video I will show you simple but powerful techniques that professional creators out there use to keep viewers watching their video for a long time. Okay, they use it to gain audience retention and also make their video comes out professional. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you don't miss any important steps. Okay, so I'm going to use UCut for this editing. You can use any other editing app. Okay, as far as you follow the same procedure you will achieve the same thing. Okay, so let's get started now. Let's head over to my screen. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, all right, so the first thing you should do is that open your editing software or app. Okay, so I will open it in UCut, then I click on the plus icon, then upload the video I want to. This is the video I want to use. I'll click on the arrow. Okay, so after doing that, the first step is removing the boring part in the video. Okay, removing all the pauses and unnecessary parts in the video, the silence in the video, cutting it out. Okay, that is the first thing you should do after filming your video. Okay, so this is how to do it. So you slide to the place that you start to talk. Okay, this is the place I start to talk. So how to do it: click on it, click on the clip, then click on split over here, then tap the first clip, the one we don't want. Okay, slide left, then click on delete. Okay, so right now I have deleted that part. Okay, so here you can see it. Then you look for another place that you have a pause or silence in the video. Okay, so I don't think there is another place I have a pause or silence. Okay, so make sure you cut every part, don't leave anyone behind. Okay, because every seconds in your video should keep viewers interested. Okay, so after doing it, then the second step is adding zoom effect to your video. Okay, it will help maintain attention. Okay, and it will make your video more dynamic. Okay, so this is how to add a zoom effect. So let's say that this is the place you want to add a zoom effect. So click on it, then split. After splitting, tap on the outside of the video clip. Okay, then tap on this pencil icon, the one with white background. Tap on it, then you see the zoom effect here. Okay, so you can put fade. It was good. Is that put fade? Okay, so you can put in fade. Let me mute my you can see all the transition you can add. So there are a lot of transition here. So I'll use this slide. Okay, this move out, I love this one. So after choosing the one you want, you click on the check mark to save the transition. As you can see, the transition has been saved. It has been added to the video. Okay, so the third thing you should do is adding a key text or captions on top of your screen. Okay, it will help the viewers to follow what you are saying in the video, and it will also boost your engagement. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So click on the clips, then click on captions. Okay, if you click on in UCut, if you click on captions, to add the captions you have to watch ad for some seconds. Okay, before you can add the captions. So to add a caption, watch this video over here to see the simplest method in adding captions to your video. Okay, so the fourth step is showing example or screenshots or any relative clips. Okay, this will keep viewers visual engaged. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. So slide to this pip. Okay, this pip is also called overlay. Okay, click on it, then look for the screenshot or any example you want to use. Okay, I'll just use this for the purpose of this video. let me say this is the screenshot. Then you can resize it, okay, and place it any place you want. Okay, so are you seeing what I'm doing over here? This is how to do it. Okay, yeah. So another thing is that adding sound effect to your video. Okay, so that place we add a transition. That place we add a transition, we will add a sound effect. Okay, you will add a sound effect to it. It will make your video look more professional. Okay, so this is how to add a sound effect. Click on, go to music. Okay, go to music at the top of the corresponding tool. Click on it, then add any sound effect you want to add, and tap the music to drag it and fit the place you want it to fit. Okay, so I do not have a sound effect here, so I would have shown you how to do it. Okay, so after doing that, the sixth step you should do is that create a strong ending in your video. Don't just end the video like that. Guide viewers to the next step, okay, or video you want them to watch next. This is very important. So now you know the exact techniques that makes your video professional and also get more engagement in your video. Okay, this is what you should know. Viral videos are not all about expensive equipment. Okay, it is about how people spend time in watching the video. Okay, it is when you give viewers what they want, they will feel free to watch it to the end. It's like a person that open a store. Okay, when people come to buy and they see that your product is good, that your product is of high quality, they will love to come there and buy the product. But if they come at the first and see that your product is not good, they will not come next time to watch. So this is how this YouTube is. Okay, so you have to create your content professionally and give the viewers what they want. Okay, this is very important. It will help your video to go viral and it also boost your engagement. So if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification for more content tips. Okay, so see you in the next video.